In primetime news this evening, party in shambles, slew of high-ranking PNP members resign with damning complaints.
We thank the comrades for their service and we continue to move on.
A community in pain.
I just can't believe it's a Jaim dead. I just can't believe it.
Mother of 10-year-old shot in the head shares her grief. And later, results of PEP examinations after a year of remote learning.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what is your reaction to news of the latest resignations in the hierarchy of the People's National Party. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.